I hope this Momo brought clean underwear.
Look at her. How hot is my wife? Yabba dabba doo. Man, I just want to oil her up and spin her around like a rag doll. She has no idea what I would do to her if she lets me.
What's that smell? Is that him or is a whale rotting on the beach? Damn it, I wish he would shower in the morning and put on cologne. I feel like I'm tanning with roadkill.
She doesn't get old. It's fucking amazing. Not one wrinkle. Such beautiful skin. I just can't believe what she looks like still. Man, I am one fortunate guy.
Look at those feet. Are they even feet? They're more like hoofs. Hoofs, paws. If I said this out loud, he would start to say all the Goodfella movie lines. Jesus, I wish he would just shut the fuck up with the mob movie quotes bullshit already.
I could look at her forever. Look how adorable my babykins is. She always dresses perfectly, always has her shit together, smells beautiful. Man, I really hit the jackpot when I found Lucy.
I hope this Momo brought clean underwear. He's like a fucking child. Every time we travel, he forgets that he needs more underwear than just what he wore on the plane. It's like an animal child. It's like he was hit in the head by a falling safe.
She's such a good cook. Keeps a clean house and cooks. Does the laundry, buys the food, takes care of the banking. It's like she's 5 women all rolled up into one.
I hope he doesn't eat like an animal tonight in the restaurant. It's embarrassing when sparks are flying off his knife and fork, and then he looks like a mental patient with the napkin around his neck.
Maybe I'll surprise her and get some frozen pina coladas. She would probably like that.
I need a drink. Just something to help me calm down and not rip the hair plugs out of his freaking head. I could have bought a beach house if it wasn't for those stupid hair plugs.